Guys, we was going to walk around. Look at the snow. It just came out of nowhere. Dad, it's snowing. Look at this. Hello, guys. Welcome back to Much Here. Today's Saturday. Right? Saturday? Dad, Saturday? Jake's over here. He's mad because he got to go outside in the snow. He's happy because he got to go outside and run after a cat. Yeah, got to choose a kitty cat. We're going to take a walk in a minute without done eating. I can't show him right now because he's eating. He doesn't be shown eating because he's like... Yeah, we are. We're going to do all kinds of stuff today. It's going to be fun. Yeah, it is. I have to stand over here in the freaking sun because it's too dark. You over there? Are you okay? You over here dying?
Yep. Get away.
I didn't film you. Trust me, I didn't film you. I'm not filming you. He's over here looking at me like, oh, you could be filmed, huh? Anyway, you guys, I'll come back later. Whoop! Yeah, Dad, get closer than you ever thought was possible. All you've been doing today is watching the freaking Hutton show. Like, got issues. Gotta go kill some things. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I feel a need to kill.
Hear that, Jake? Better watch out, Jake. You're the closest animal.
Just joking, I'm not gonna kill nothing.
Don't lie, you kill everything.
I do not.
Yeah, you do.
I haven't killed anything for a long time.
Don't lie. Don't lie, we all... You come in here and get more coffee. Every time I film you come in here and get coffee. It's just addicted to
What's wrong
it.
with that?
You're addicted. You take a break.
Get!
You. Why don't you get?
I'm trying to be nice to you here, but it's hard to do.
What? You be nice. What are you doing?
I'll get my coffee creamer.
Coffee creamer? Look at this, guys. He goes through this in like 3 days. It's a big thing.
I do not.
Yeah, you do. That's how addicted to coffee is. You need stronger shit. It's like you're like a drug addict. You have to get stronger and stronger. You start out weed, then you go to heroin, then you go to meth, then you go to crack, cocaine, then you go to opioids.
This is good. Separate from drugs.
I don't know. I remember you flipping out when you didn't have your coffee when we moved up here. I didn't have no power for a few days.
I did not.
You and my mom both did. I need the coffee! And you went all grouchy and flipped out on me every little thing, and you was all in a bad mood. And he was like,
did not.
yeah, you did.
You lied.
No,
You lied
bull.
about
You was like, I need my coffee. He's like a freaking recovering drug addict.
Ah, man.
You went through withdrawals. You went through withdrawals without it.
I did
Yes,
not.
you did.
I did not.
You had to go there and buy it at the freaking store every day.
When I was
And
in the hospital for a week,
Heck.
I didn't have no coffee.
yeah, you did.
You know, I had my first operation. I ain't doing nuts.
Yeah, you did. Probably because you couldn't move.
That's the only one thing I do nuts over when I can't have it.
What? Oh, don't even. Dad, there's more kids watching us. Dad.
I always wanted a little kid.
What? You're ridiculous. You know that.
Ridiculous.
You're ridiculous. The sexual innuendos need to stop.
I'm gonna cut your peanuts off.
Probably couldn't even work with that one.
Yeah?
Wouldn't even work with that one.
I'm gonna cut your peanuts off.
Probably wouldn't even work with that
You know,
one.
Your peanuts.
I know.
This will growing in the ground.
They're growing trees, Dad.
Yeah, they grow in the
For
ground.
a long time, I thought they grow on trees. Most people do.
They don't grow on trees.
Most people think they do because they're a nut.
Hey, look, another black bear hunting.
Oh, you gonna tell about your big black bear you saw?
Nah.
Oh, but you would tell me over and over and over and over and over and
I
over.
just tell Blake that because I know it bugs him. But that was a big black bear, gee. It's bigger than you, so you know it was pretty big.
Oh, you called me fat?
No, I'm just trying to think how to kick your ass.
Well, no, it's a wild animal. It's like 800 pounds.
No, it wasn't that big.
Yeah, it was.
It was probably about 250.
I'm bigger than that.
Go out there and wrestle him, see who wins.
He has bigger muscles. He's designed to fight. We're designed to run.
I don't think you get out running.
I know, I couldn't. I couldn't. You couldn't either. You take like 10 steps beyond a break. Hold on, bear. I got a break. Like you could outrun him too. You'd be like, after 10 steps, all huffing and puffing and.
Yeah, I'm going to fight him because I can't outrun
You
him.
can't fight him. You...
Cover my head and play dead, that's what I'm...
That's not doesn't work either.
No, I'll just eat you. Oh, I need the newspaper.
It's the hunt of the thrill is what they want.
What?
The hunt of the thrill.
Let's throw over the hunt, not the hunt of it.
You know, I already put it in here.
Oh, did?
Yeah, I'm gonna let Jake out. Well, let Jake out. I don't know what to do with it.
We'll go for a walk. Where was it at? What's that? How do you newspaper?
I didn't. Jake did. He's the one who's laying there.
Get out of my face. Let me see, Jake. Ah, where's this at?
Everywhere. What are you doing, Jake?
Oh, I'm not going down the road. Look like a river.
Oh, what didn't I? You gonna tell him about your your adventure down the road?
Don't tell him nothing.
Tell him about your adventure down the road. Tell him. Tell him.
Kingwood, hey.
Oh no, the smallest town in the ghetto.
What did you get out of my light?
I still find it funny that on that drug dealing show I was watching that California ghetto had better roads than us and better houses looking.
Oh, who cares? You want to go?
It's the freaking ghetto though. It's supposed to be like the
California. I don't care. Get out, gee.
I will. Give me $100 for a road trip. Give me $100 so I can hitchhike and buy some food on the way.
All I hear about it. Move California, go to New York City. You never survive up there.
Yeah, I could.
Everything moves too fast.
And for you, it takes you 20 years to talk. You'd be like, oh, no. Like you are right now. It took you 20 years to eat. Alright, guys, I'll cut back later. Alright, guys, let's go see what he's going back here. You're a freaking dumbass.
You're a dumbass.
See, call me names. Jake, I've been waiting on him all morning to do stuff, and he hasn't done nothing. So you're going down in the woods by yourself?
Yes, I am.
Well, good. Let's do the garbage first.
No.
Don't kiss the dog. It's weird.
No. I'm going to be a packer. I'm going to take my slingshot with me.
Slingshot? Yeah. Because that's really going to stop anything down in the woods. Maybe a squirrel with an AK if you're a good shot.
Yeah, maybe.
That. What are you
There's
doing?
Something down there in the woods, ain't there, Jake?
Jake. He's all fluffy since he all got away from the rain film. He's all fluffy.
Yeah.
He's all fluffy. He doesn't need a bath no more. Got his bath yesterday. He said, what? It's a bath day again? Bath day, Jake. No.
Turn that. He knows that word.
I was kidding. He's nuts. You can hear the static flying off of him. I can hear it. Look, he's gonna tangle himself up and... What is he doing? Look at him. You're crazy, dog. So I'm gonna... Yes, we're gonna take a walk, then you're gonna go down the woods by yourself.
Walk on the bike trail.
No. We're gonna take a walk after we take the garbage down, and we're gonna go... Then we're gonna come back in and you...
I'm down the woods by myself.
Oh! See?
Yes, I will go down there by myself.
Uh-huh. Sure.
I'll get caught in the rain.
Be sure you take your phone with you.
Why?
In case I break my leg or something, or you start feeling bad and I have to go find you.
You won't find me.
I'll go look for you.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
You won't have to call your mom, Dad's lost there. That's what you would do.
You know damn well she'd be like, call Dave! Call the fire department! Call everyone! Yes, you would. She'd probably make me go find you. You'd be like, go find him! Go get Dave!
You won't.
Huh? I would if you was really serious.
You
If you was really
not.
serious, I would.
Yeah, right.
If you was like, oh, I don't feel good. You've done that to me before.
When?
A while back ago.
I've
He's
never
like,
done
yeah,
that.
you did. I'm pretty sure you called him and said you didn't feel good or you was lost or something. And he's like, I found my way back. And he was real low when he came back. Yeah, you did.
Didn't come help me, did you?
No, but you said you didn't. You said, oh, I found my way.
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did. That one day you did.
I know that with you.
No, you wasn't. How about when you got, I almost said drunk. When you got
Yeah,
low
when
in
I
the
got
car.
drunk.
When you got low in the car and you thought you went to Dave's house and you pulled off the road and you was nowhere.
What? Your mom.
Yeah, my mom.
You wasn't even with me.
I know. I was with you that one day when you did something stupid.
Yeah, I was out. So what?
It's not good. I've never been that out of it.
I've been out like that a few times.
You know why you get like that? Because your brain's in front of sugar and it doesn't like it. Because your brain uses all kinds of sugar to run. Did you know it?
I don't know what's what.
That's why we crave... Look at the cat. Do you know the cat's even in here?
Yeah.
He's up there.
Don't tell your mother.
She'll come home yelling, get out of my room!
Man,
you-
he knows in there.
What? I got a receding hairline. Look at this.
I got a big bald spot there.
Yeah, but you're 60 though, so it's normal. Aren't you? You're like 65, right?
50.
You're not... Well, I'm to your 20s.
I'm in the prime of my life.
How old are you? 65, something like that?
No.
Yeah, you are.
I am not that old.
Yeah, you are. 63 at least.
No.
Yes. Yes, you are. 55.
No, I'm not.
55 minus 2018. That's like 63 years.
No, it's not.
Is it? You're... Jake's watching you.
Hey there, Jakey. I'll take Jake with me.
Uh-huh. Sure you are.
Jake loves going out in the woods.
Oh, he hates it.
No, he loves
Oh,
it.
he hates it.
He loves it.
He hates it.
No, he don't.
You said you can't take Jake with you. You got to get all the cameras. I'll take a bag with you, too, so you can carry them all back.
It'll be fine.
You can get that one camera up there.
Take my picnic.
We'll get that one camera up there around the barn.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back in and we'll check them out when you come back with the other two.
Yeah.
You remember where they are, by the way?
Nope.
That one's way down in the fucking valley, and the other one's right there when we first walk in.
No, it's down the woods.
No.
It's not right there when we first walked in. It's down in the woods.
Yeah, it's right there on that hillside.
All the trees across the road there, and I told you that Bigfoot did that.
And that one's way down in the valley.
That one's up towards the house.
Yeah, it's right there by the house, and then that one's up behind the barn.
There's hundreds of trees out there. How am I supposed to find it?
And that one's camo.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard to find. Well,
Especially that camera back there, you should have it lower.
We'll see how many videos it got. Probably just us walking around.
Should be at least one deer on there, because I want to see a bear.
I want to see how good that picture takes at night, that one down there in the woods. Hopefully we got some night pictures.
Yeah.
I hope it did.
Sure,
Oh, I remember how me and Daniel said that there's like fog going across the camera or whatever.
Yeah.
That's actually because the camera is really bad quality. They do that. It's a common thing.
Yeah, you said it was a ghost.
Yeah, I know. So it doesn't look like, but it's not. They say it's a common thing that happens when it's like, yeah, because at night it's weird. They say the better quality ones don't do it, so that one shouldn't do it. That's down there. But that one did look like there's a hand though.
Yeah, it did.
All right, well, let's go for a walk.
Deer.
We're gonna go for a walk now.
You don't even have your shoes on. Jake's ready.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Woo! Well done.
Yeah, he actually is. All right, guys, we'll come back later. Whoop! Guys, we going to walk around. Look at the snow. It just came out of nowhere. Dad, it's snowing. Look at this. Dad. Dad, it's snowing.
What?
It's a blizzard.
You call this snow?
What?
I remember back in the 60s, that's when we had snow.
No, we didn't. Alright guys, so we're not going to get the camera down the woods because it's snowing too bad. We'll do that tomorrow. But we're going to get this one here behind the barn. Well, used to be barn. And then we're going to go down here to there's this bridge that gets a bunch of water. We're going to see how flooded it is. So we're going to go for a car ride. So we'll come back later. Whoop! Alright guys, I got to show you this. We've been in here for like 10 minutes waiting for Dad to get ready so we can go to the store. But look at this. Look how much... Look at this. It is a Wonderland. Oh man. Look at this. It is ridiculous. Birds everywhere. Gee. Look at this. They're big. We're going to get like a foot of snow if this keeps up. Gee whiz. Gee whiz. Crazy, man. Anyway, guys, we're going to the store. Well, we're going to go check out this bridge and see how flooded it is because we get flooded out down there real bad and we can't get out. Then we're going to check that and we're going to the store, so I'll come back later. Alright guys, we're in the car. Look at this. We can't, yeah, it's snowing like I don't know what. Look at this. It is ridiculously crazy right now. Maybe we shouldn't drive. What the heck? This is going to be crazy. Alright, I just want to show you how much snow. This snow just came out of nowhere. It's crazy. So, yeah, we will cut back later. Whoop. Hold on guys, look. There's high water. Look at this. We're flooded in. Look. Gee, look at that. Gee, look at that. It is crazy. Look at that. Man. It's something crazy.
Should we try it?
No.
Come on, we can do it.
We cannot go through that.
You have to swim?
No, he hates water. I don't know how to swim either. Look, Dad, look, the water's like the road over there. Look at this. Look, it floats all the way up half the road, Dad. Half the hill. Hey guys, we're gonna go check out the other side, the other road, because there's two bridges.
Might be
We might be trapped in here forever. I'm kidding. There's always a way out. Alright guys, we're gonna go check the other bridge. We'll be back. Whoop. Guys, do you see this road? Look at this. It is ridiculous. I can't. The road isn't even a road anymore. It's barely a road. Look at this. And this bridge isn't covered. Look at this. Look at this. There's barely any road left. It's mostly potholes. I know, look at the water. It's pretty high. We can go through. We're not snowed in.
Like how wild and wonderful.
This is ridiculous though. Look at the road. Look at the potholes. It is ridiculous.
Four-wheel drive out here.
Yeah, that 4 drive just to get to our house.
I love it.
It's stupid.
It's not stupid.
It shouldn't be like this.
What we want to do? Just shovel stuff, throwing them in.
But that's how I show you guys this ridiculous road and the snow and how beautiful. Look how beautiful the snow is. Look at this. The trees look. They don't bounce around so much because the potholes are ridiculous. I can't keep my hands still because the potholes are everywhere. The whole road is like that, by the way. Look at this. Potholes everywhere. Alright guys, I'll come back later. Whoop! Guys, look at this water. Look at this. This bridge is almost covered too. Look at this. If you guys don't know what we're talking about, the other night we had a massive rainstorm at midnight, like all night, and it just flooded everything. And today it's snowing, so what the heck, weather? It's crazy. Guys, I want to show you guys that. Alright guys, we'll come back later. Whoop! Alright guys, we've made it home. I drove in the snow.
All over the road.
Oh, I was not.
I put it up on the bank.
Oh, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
Did not. I've never actually drove in snow before, so it was an experience. It's a little bit different driving on regular road, but you can tell the difference. Especially when you stop and brake and, yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell
you. Well, in full drive, it was fine. In full drive, you can tell the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. I could go 80 down there. I'm kidding. Anyways, guys, I'm in the vlog here. I'm really confident, grabbing peace. Any last words? Say hi to Ivy.
Hi, Ivy.
There you go.
Hi, Ivy.
No. Alright, guys. Later. Peace. Whoop!